We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced words, some of the most mispronounced ones in English in fact, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So for reference, you have to know that this is a word of French origin, and in French it is said as debacle, debacle. This is why in English it is to be pronounced debacle, debacle. And this is why it's said with a D sound at the beginning, not a D sound or not a D sound. Debacle. Very straightforward once you know debacle. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.